To estimate the average of an entire population from a sample and a standard deviation, start by simplifying the problem. Take out the bulk and the extra wording. Notice the directions ask you to estimate, which means that you'll have to use this sample to understand the entire football population. You want to label the values from the problem. Remember, when they say average, that's the same thing as mean, which is probably how you memorized the values. So here, if we have a random sample tells you already that lowercase n, which is sample size, is 30. So we have 30 football players, gives an average height of 75.36 inches. That is going to be your X bar. Your X bar is specifically designed only for your sample mean. Your population mean, which means that you actually included every single football player that's on the team in your value, that would be your population mean. But apparently our football team is much more than 30 players because we have a sample of 30. Mu, which is the Greek letter U, is the population mean, which is actually what they are asking us to estimate. S is the sample standard deviation, which is in this case 4.96. So they do make a distinction between sample standard deviation, and in other problems you may be asked to find the population standard deviation, which is sigma, which is like an O with a curly on top. Keep in mind, standard deviation measures the range or the variance in the numbers. So if all the football players are close in height, then there will be a small range of numbers and a small standard deviation. If the players are tall and short, so like let's say we have 7-foot players and 5-foot players on the team, then there will be a larger standard deviation.